Well, today is a quite. Oh, I forgot my intro. Kodiak Aviation here. Um, Today we got a discontinued Matchbox real talking sets. Comes with the airport sets, talking packs, and other vehicles like the hot dog truck, tow truck, Ford Rescue, front end loader, pocket transport, and a fire truck. And the same thing on the back. And the UFO on the ear. Police chase and the police canine unit. Well, I only bought the police car. I got these from eBay for an offer for $25. Not bad. And well, this was released in 1998. Discontinued a few years ago, like around the 2000s, I think. And this one is an ice cream truck, as you can see. It says 15 thing chocolate ice cream. I mean, what do you expect? It's a Mr. Softee ice cream truck, as you can see. Yeah, Mattel wheels. And this one is the Metro Police. It's I think it's a Ford Crown Victoria or something. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what type of police car this is, cause I see it in the background. That's some sort of Ford Crown. I don't think it's a Ford Crown Victoria, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Let's see if it still works after 28 years. It just says chocolate tastes great. It just sounds like saying E. It's just like the speaker kind of is old now. Like, listen. It plays the. Yeah, it just said ice cream. And it plays the last part of the Mr. Softee jingle, which is the SOFTEE part, which is the ending of the song. And I also got this from eBay like a couple years ago. Now it doesn't work because the speaker broke and I took all the internal parts out. And now I turned it into my local. And now I got a new friend. I could just, I mean, I already converted it into my 2024 local. Now let's see the police car. Like, you're supposed to. Oh, you're supposed to correct from the back. Are you serious? Guys, do you hear anything? It says stop police, pull over. Brody, I don't hear anything. I think the speaker has wear down already. Now it's just the lights. Now it's just the lights. No talking cars that can talk. This one doesn't talk. Now it's just a regular standard 1998 diecast police car with lights. That's it. Alright, let's get these out of the box and let's review them. Alright, these two are out of the box, fresh out. If you're wondering why is there red stuff, I painted the back with the lights like this one. Yeah. Yeah, it's a police car. Doesn't make any noise. Now it's just flashing lights. Metro Police number 8. And that is pretty cool. Like, I feel like it isn't worth it. It will be more cooler if there's sounds. Now it's just a basic silent Matchbox real talking police car, but no sound. And unfortunately, there's no returns, but I don't feel like returning this because it's pretty cool having a police car from 1998, which I already have a Matchbox police car that's more modern. But alright, so now we're done reviewing the police car. Now let's review the ice cream truck. Okay, we got the ice cream truck here. Again, it's a Mr. Softy ice cream truck. Basically my local before its decals got removed. Let's compare it to this one. They're kind of the same size. Let's see. They're basically the same width and size. Look at this. See, they're the same length. So, yeah, it has a stop sign. Delicious shake sundaes, Mr. Softy shake sundaes cones, and there's the old vintage Mr. Softy menu. The vintage ice cream trucks was in this 90s or 60s. Yeah, again, there's the ice cream man holding a cone, the Mr. Softy logo, and the menu again. There's a speaker. I don't know what this is called, but I think it's a air conditioner, I think. This thing that covers the fan on the back. And the back is the generator. And yeah. This is kind of funny. They kind of have similar designs. Like, this one has the vents over here and this one over here. They're kind of the same window, but this one is more smaller. It's larger. Yeah. Is basically a snack truck. There's two versions of it. It's a hot dog truck, and the hot dog truck is common in eBay, but the ice cream truck is extremely rare. And when I found one, but someone already got their hands on one, so I immediately bought this just before anyone could. And now I have this in my ice cream truck model collection, diecast collection. Pretty cool. Yep, it plays the iconic music. Yeah, it just said chocolate tastes great. Play it again. Yep, ice cream tastes great. That's what it said. Chocolate ice cream tastes great. I think this is a Chevrolet P30 or Grumman Olson or Morgan Olson step van. Basically, they're all merged together. The old classic Mattel wheels that they used on the trucks in the late 90s. This one doesn't have any lights when this used to work, but this one does. I do not know why Matchbox discontinued it, but in their 100-year anniversary, I feel like they should bring back their Real Talkin series to celebrate their 100-year, or probably passed already, I think. I don't know, Matchbox, you should bring the Real Talkin products back because I'm not going to eBay and looking for rare ones. So I would recommend Matchbox to release them, bring them back in stores. Yeah. These two were from Kmart in the 90s. Cause look over here. from Kmart for $4.99, and this one is also for $4.99. Originally, I wanted the trash truck, but now I got interested in this ice cream truck, and then when I was about to ask to buy this, it was out of some dude bought it already, so I immediately bought these two. And I only bought them only for the ice cream truck. And I know why. Yeah. They're basically the same, but they're different. This one is Matchbox. This is an unknown one. Whoops. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. This is my first Matchbox products that are from late 1990s, like 1998. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.